Friends, today we are going to discuss unit 4, okay, that is compressible fluid flow. We have already discussed 3 units. Unit 1 was fluid statics, okay, and fluid properties. Unit 2 was fluid kinematics, and Unit 3 was fluid dynamics. Now compressible flow, see, whenever we are talking about fluid, so fluid, as I told you, it may be liquid and gases. Okay, now this liquid generally they are here, this remains constant. So unit 1, 2, 3, except this unit 4, even after this unit also, we are going to discuss the fluid. So basically for the liquid, for which density remains constant. But in this chapter particularly gas means it can be compressed. So here it is not constant. Okay, liquid is incompressible and gases are compressible. Okay, so gases here we are going to discuss in unit 4. So gases are the example which we can compress. Compress means we can change the volume, change the density. Okay, so density means changing the volume. We can compress, so it is also we can call it as change in volume. So a flow in which mass density changes from point to point, so a flow in which mass density changes, that is not constant. Okay, so mass density changes from point to point is known as compressible fluid flow. Okay, now what are the examples? So examples will be here. We are going to discuss examples like rocket, satellite, rocket launching. So that comes under the compressible fluid flow. Another is air flow from air compressor. Okay, number 3, that is air from nozzle or orifice. So here we are going to discuss only air. Okay, so see, compressible fluid flow is one in which density changes. So density is not the constant. Okay, so density changes from point to point. A flow in which mass density changes from point to point is known as compressible fluid flow. Examples: satellite, rocket launching, air flow from the air compressor, air from the nozzle and orifice. Okay, there is one parameter which is known as Mach number. This I have already discussed in the fluid dynamics, dimensionless number, which is equal to Fi by Fc. So Fi is rho L square V square by Fc is, see, it is directly related with the bulk modulus. So bulk modulus is K is equal to dP by del V by V. Okay, so this has no unit. So this is nothing but compressible force by area. So Fc will be equal to L square by L square into K. So it is root under Fc is equal to L square into K. So this L square will get cancelled. So it is Mach number is, that is V by root under K by rho. So it is V by C. That is nothing but fluid velocity by sonic velocity. This is also called sound velocity actually. So there are parameters or value of n on which we can say flow is incompressible, and out of this compressible there are so many categories also. Okay, so if it is Mach number is less than 0.3, okay, so this is called incompressible. If Mach number is greater than 0.3, okay, and less than 1, it is called subsonic flow. If Mach number is equal to 1, that is called sonic flow. That is V is equal to C actually. Okay, when Mach number is greater than 1 and less than 5, it is called supersonic. And if Mach number is greater than 5 and less than 9, it is called hypersonic. So these are the example of compressible flow. Okay, this is when Mach number is less than 0.3. In that case, we can call it as incompressible flow. But we are going to discuss compressible flow in this unit. So our main points are this from here only. So it is, if it is Mach number is greater than 0.3 and less than 1, then it is called subsonic flow. If it is equal to 1, that is fluid velocity, V is equal to C. Okay, here V is less than C. Okay, here also V less than C. Here V is equal to C. Here I have already written V is equal to C. That is called sonic velocity, sonic flow, where fluid velocity will be equal to sound velocity. If Mach number is greater than 1 and less than 5, it is called supersonic flow. Okay, and Mach number greater than 5 and less than 9, it is called hypersonic flow. Okay, so these are the different classification of compressible flow. So let us sum up what we have studied in this class. We have started compressible fluid flow. Compressible fluid flow is that one in which density varies from point to point. If density is constant, that is in the case of liquid, and they are treated as incompressible. Okay, but here we are going to discuss compressible flow. So compressible flow in which mass density changes from point to point is known as compressible fluid flow. Examples are satellite, rocket launching, even flights. Okay, air flow from the air compressors, air from the nozzle or orifice. There is one parameter by which we can say flow is sonic, subsonic, supersonic, hypersonic. So that parameter is called Mach number. That I have already derived also in the fluid. Remember, that is in fluid dynamics. Basically there it was for the incompressible fluid, liquid. Here we are going to discuss for air here. So Mach number is Fi by Fc. Fi inertial force, that is rho L square V square. How this has been derived, that I have already done in unit 3. And this is compressible force, that is directly related with the bulk modulus. So K is equal to del P by del V by V. So this is change in volume. So change in volume by original volume has no unit. So this dP will be equal to, that is pressure. So it is force per unit area. So force Fc will be equal to L square into K. Okay, that is bulk modulus into square of the length. So Mach number is equal to V by K by rho, and K by rho is equal to C. So V is equal to fluid velocity and C is the sound velocity. So Mach number is nothing but a ratio of fluid velocity to the sound velocity. Now there are so many values of Mn, Mach number. Remember, If it is less than 0.3, it is called incompressible flow. If it is greater than 0.3 and less than 1, it is called subsonic flow. If it is Mach number is equal to 1, that is fluid velocity is equal to sonic velocity, then it is called sonic flow. If it is greater than 1 and less than 5, it is called supersonic. And if it is greater than 5 and less than 9, hypersonic. Okay. So these were the introduction part of the compressible flow. Rest of the thing I will discuss in next class. Thank you.